हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम फिर से उसी टॉपिक पे बात करेंगे जिस टॉपिक में मैंने आपके लिए पिछली बार वीडियो बनाया था। तो वीडियो लंबी हो गई थी, इसलिए मैंने उसे पूरा नहीं किया। उस वीडियो का लिंक मैंने इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दिया है। आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं, पढ़ सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं। तो चलिए आगे उसी वीडियो को आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं। तो हम कामयाबी के टॉपिक पे बात कर रहे थे, जिसका इंग्लिश में मीनिंग होता है सक्सेस। Luck does not always go along. This is absolutely true. The truth is that the person who does not have anything works hard day and night to get it to be successful. The one who has seen poverty, the one who remains hungry at night, the one who has seen sorrows, that person run after success day and night. And the one who gets everything by birth, wealth, family, money, he does not need to work hard to be successful, nor does he work hard to be successful. Overall, it means that everyone has luck. No one gets it before time and more than luck. One should just keep working hard. I have also completed my studies, wants to do a job, but even a job is not in everyone's destiny. Then I got married, and after marriage, my family members did not give permission to work. I sit idle at home all day. That's why I think, why not do something on YouTube? Make videos for you guys, teach you guys as much as I have learned. I don't know much either. I just try as much as I can to explain you people well, to teach you people well, so that you become successful and success kisses your feet. I try to make the best videos for you guys. I also want to be a successful person. What I could not do in my life, I do throw on YouTube. That's why I make the best videos for you guys. So that you guys watch my videos, like, subscribe, and give me millions views. You guys are behind my success. I will be able to do something further only if you guys support me. I will be able to do something in my life. My success is in your hands. If you like my video, then only you will like and subscribe. Only then my channel will move towards success. And I will also become a successful person like other YouTubers. So, there is someone's hand behind the success of every person. You are behind my success. If you want me to be a successful person in my life, then please like and subscribe my channel and work hard for whatever field you want to become a successful person. I will pray to God that all the people who are watching my video, who are watching me, who want to be a successful person, who is working hard for their success, may God make him a successful person, remove his sorrows. Someone has told the truth: if the patience is true, hard work pays off, and no matter how far the destination is, it comes on its own. These four lines are for your success. Always keep working hard for your success. Nothing is difficult. One just has to work hard. He is also a human being who is driving a ship in the sky. And it is also a human being who is making a dead person alive. When a person can become a pilot by working hard, when a person can become a doctor by working hard, When a person can become an IPS officer by working hard, then cannot you become a successful person by working hard? So can't you learn English with a little effort? Success is a ladder that must be climbed until you reach it. The way you can't reach the top by climbing half a ladder. Success is also like that. If you want to become a successful person, then follow your dream day and night. The way night and day happen at their own time. The way we can't forget to take our breath. In the same way, what your dream you want to be, what you want to achieve. Think day and night how to achieve it. Find ways, work hard for it. You get my point? The way we can't forget to breathe. And one more thing, whatever person may be your own, whether he is your stranger, no matter how close he is to you, if he comes in the way of your success, then stay away from him. Make a time for everything. You wake up on time, sit, eat, drink, or watch TV. Do everything on time. If you work with time, then you will definitely become a successful person. Leave nothing for tomorrow. Today's work has to be finished today itself. Don't think that we will do it tomorrow. Don't give much importance to anyone other than family. Your family is like your knees. When you cry, your knees are in your chest. So, the family members are also like that. Your relatives, your friends will never support you except your family. If you do good, they will never say that you have done good. And if you do bad, he will never tell you that you have done bad. Apart from your family, no relative is yours, neither your relative nor your friends. No one wants you to be a successful person. You know all these things very well. When you know all these things very well, then why do you keep such people around you? Surround yourself only with those people who want your success. Maybe you are finding my words albeit bad. I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry. I will pray to God that all the people who are watching me or all the people who are not watching me, but they want to be successful in their life. May God make them successful people who work hard. May God give them the fruits of their hard work. That's all I want to say for you. See you again in another video. If you like my video, you like my speaking, if you like my teaching, then please support me. I also want to become a successful person. Make me successful too. Like my channel, subscribe and support me. Thank you so much. Your one like and one subscription is my success. Support me. Thank you so much.